Thank you, sir. That's me. Right here. That one.
Thank you, boss. Okay, thank you. Okay, you got
Appreciate that, Brazy.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Okay, this is calm. This is a little, you know, a little vibe. Little vibe.
Literally all I can get.
A little vibe. A little swimming pool in the back. That's how we're feeling. How do you open this? So, little swimming pool in the back. You feel me? Nothing crazy. It's calm. This is calm. Holy, this is. Oh, that water's a little cold. I'm in there though. Whew. This is calm. This is calm. This is crazy stuff. But y'all know the vibe, man.
Fit pics?
Miami. Whoo, the fit pics is gonna go crazy. Shout out gang, man. Holy. Oh, I'm in that pool though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm in that. I'm not even tired, bro. I slept the whole plane ride. I'm up. Bare energy.
That's the way.
Bare energy.
That's the way.
So where's the room? Where's the other? How many rooms are there?
There's 2 rooms this way.
Oh.
Put me on the beat like this.
Oh nah, this is keys.
It's proper stuff.
There's some light up in here though. Whew. Jeez. Jeez. Trendy shit, bro. Shout out the members. It's a calm little washroom. It's a little vibe. I mean, the lights are bright as hell. Oh, I hope y'all can see me because it looks clear enough. What's going on, y'all? Miami vibes, day 1. We out here till Monday.
Yo, a person messaged me said, who told you to travel the world for so long?
Shout out Big Trendy. Fucking.
Shout out Big Trendy.
We out here.
Fucking Wonder Girl. Shout out everybody, fam.
Shout out the steppers, man. We out here Miami day 1, you feel me? We out for like 3 days, but our battle's going on. I don't even know what's on the agenda right now, but we chilling. Y'all see this, bro?
When are we going to Art Battle?
I don't know. Pool in the background. I mean, I don't really do cold water, so we gotta wait till that heats up, but we out here, you know. Nice little vibe in the crib. We K'd on the plane, bro. We slumped on the plane, bro. I've K'd before the plane even took off, too. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I came before the plane got off the fucking ground.
Man got a sweet bits to just lay on his shoulder.
Bro, she K'd on my shoulder, and I was like, nah, that's not the vibe, but... Like, I can't do economy, bro. I can't sit beside people, bro. Somebody's right here.
Imagine,
Come on.
I don't know what she had behind me.
It was her knees.
Her knees were up?
Yes.
Fam, I'm here trying to recline the seat. The seat's not moving. Then I feel boom, boom, boom in my
it's
back.
her knees.
And I'm here. Yo, I wanted to turn around and be like, yo, what the fuck are you doing? But broski, I sat like this in the chair. Sat like this in the chair.
Yo.
Died.
But yeah, when you taught me, you're like, yo, like, easier me.
No, I basically, because I don't want my ears to pop.
Right.
Pop bad. So basically, I'm sitting here with no music. I'm like, yo, I can't do this. I tapped you and I'm like, yo, you can't
let me hold your beats. Bro, my beats died when I was K'd.
I know, but I just needed it to cover
Cover
my
your ears? Oh, okay. I plugged in my AirPods, I was blessed.
100%, I give it back to you, I listened to my...
But we only had like 20 minutes left when I woke up. Then I stayed up since then. We had like 20 minutes left. That flight was 4 hours, bro. Time went by like this when I was slumped. I woke up and it was 4 o'clock in the morning. Because we didn't get on the plane till till like 10:30 a.m. So as we crossed to get over the year, time went forward 3 hours. So it would have already been like 3 a.m. And then boom, we landed at 5:30. We got here at like 7. What time did we get here? 7? 7 in the morning. We've been here, and right now it's 10:24. Nothing's open yet. We haven't even went anywhere yet, but we're chilling. I'm trying to go in the pool, but I can't do cold water. And yes, I can swim, but I just can't do cold water. But we got a whole bunch of shit going on with the agenda today. I gotta stop at Yankee Kicks because I'm trying to go sneaker shopping. I definitely need to get some sneakers, bro. I can't be in Miami and not get nothing. I'm trying to get some shoes. I can't get my off-whites no more. Rest in peace, Virgil, but the price on those, I know they're gonna skyrocket. And imagine, I know people are gonna try to make bread off demand, so I know that's already cropped out the seam, but I want the off-whites. Those off-white 5s, the black ones, I want those so bad. And the 4s, obviously, but the 4s is way too much. If I get the off-white 4s, I'm dedicating a YouTube video just to them shoes, bro. Literally. Okay, so we got this little charity event. I don't know if it's a charity event or it's just a basketball 3v3 game, but we got a little basketball going on at the Nike Unknown store. I just got it like literally like 45 minutes ago. So Uber's on its way right now. About to slide over there, and I'm about to show you guys what's up when we get over there. How you doing, bro?
My boy.
Brother, what's going on, brother? How you doing?
All I got is this money.
Alright.
Might be broken though. Cell phone.
Yup, that's what we do. Talk to me for you.
Come on, man. You
Talk
already
to me.
know what was gonna happen. After I lost that first one, I told you it's over.
Right. That's what we talk. That's GOAT talk. That's GOAT talk. That's GOAT talk.
Toronto to Harlem. It's the HTC connection.
You know what I'm saying?
Make that motherfucking shit, you feel what I'm saying? We can't get straight. Hey, Castro. People too. My Arabs here.
This drink right here. Evil. Evil, bro. Oh my gosh. Bro, I've never put these on yet. Bro, look at this. Like, first time wearing them. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. I think there's even a nug of weed. What the heck? Wow. Super clean when we get back to LA. Last night was crazy, bro. Yeah. I'm like, Miami 1, Trendyy 0, cause wow. Like, I don't even know if you can even like tell, but I woke up this morning early and fresh. You can see it in my face, kind of. Holy. We didn't get back to the crib till 5 in the morning. I don't even know how I'm up right now, and it's 9:55. I really don't know how I'm up right now. I don't, but I'm good. Alcohol didn't win. Miami won, but the alcohol didn't win. That's a fact. Y'all know what time it is, man. Stop playing. Yeah, I just threw up. Now I'm back. Niggas be signing, bro. Damn, can't even get out of your deals. I know you probably can't even hear me, but listen, Trendyy's back. You feel me?
Where you get it from? A friend of mine. But those cartridges no, this is a big stuff. It's like a little pocket gun. Yeah, it's a strong battery. It's strong, yeah. It's a good battery. Yeah, nice flavors. I like that stuff. It's real easy.
No, I'm good, fam. Enjoy it. Enjoy that, brother. I don't know who told you to take such a heavy pull. My fault, Jordan. Miami, man. Where we going? That side is it? Oh, right there? Please, okay.
Thank you.
What's going on, man?
It's good, bro.
This is cool. This is cool. House of hits. Here's a ball court? Can I actually shoot at that ball court? If I actually can, I'm locking in and getting my form. I'm getting my form right. This is tough. This is tough. What is it? Oh, it's a big. What does it say? Do not. Do not touch for display. Oh, man, that's why. This is hard though. This is tough.
I can just send it to you. That's cool. Thank you.
This one says no firearms allowed.
Yeah.
Wow. No smoking. Signs of no firearms.
Is this a fish tank at the bottom?
Yes.
That's tough. That is so hard.
This is
This is a vibe. No, this is a vibe.
Cool. It's pretty cool. That's cool, man. Like Tron.
See, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Miami was fun. I definitely give Miami their cookies. It was definitely fun. Right now, time is it? My Apple Watch there? Oh, it's dead. Right now it's 5:50. So we waiting to go back to LA. We about to hop on the flight back to LA. Our flight's at 8 o'clock, but Miami was fun. I'm not gonna lie to you, it was definitely fun. I didn't get most footage of in the club, so that's why you guys didn't see it. But if you had me on Snapchat, Instagram, you definitely would have seen it. But Miami was a movie. We didn't get to see as much as we did because we did get out here pretty late. We did get out here a day late. We got out here to Saturday, and we're supposed to be out here to Friday. So I won't lie to you, we did get out here late, but from what I see, Miami is lit, and I'm definitely coming back. 100% I'm coming back. Get out of here now, man. I'm out this motherfucker, yo. I'm done. We out of here, man. At the airport now. Miami was fun still. It was actually a fun trip. I've been saying that all video, all the time. I've been saying this place is fun, but it was actually fun.
That's what they printed. It says German.
Broward County, we welcome everyone.
This one says his name.
Once you step outside these doors, there's plenty to do.
German.
Enjoy our 24 miles.
Step 1. Heel. Step 2, wrap the handle. Come on, bro. Up the floor, man. Okay, wrap the handle. Step 3, stick here. This bag staying with me. Shout out Yankee Kicks. Hey, if you guys didn't see the sneaker video, I'm not gonna lie to you, when you guys see this video, the sneaker video is already gonna be out. So if you haven't seen the sneaker video when we went to Yankee Kicks, y'all go check that out. But Miami, it's been lit. We about to drop the bags off. We about to board the plane. I'm gonna catch y'all when we back in LA, you feel me? Shout out the steppers, man.